How to connect the Pro 6 TWS wireless earphones or headphones to a Samsung phone. And this is the S24 Ultra and should work the same for other Samsung phones with Android 14 or 13. All right, so first things first, with the Pro 6, make sure it's not connected to another device, because when you open up the case lid and you take them out, they will reconnect to that previously paired device, okay? So make sure they also have some battery life. And you want to now make sure that button on the back of the case right here, there's a button there. Just press down on it one time, and you'll notice how they're going to be kind of red on the inside. And that's just going to let you know they're both touching the pin of the metal plates to the bottom for charging. And for them to get into pairing mode, they will have to be in the case, and you'll take them out together at the same time. You must take them out together at the same time so they'll sync into each other and get into pairing mode, okay? So with doing that here, I'll go ahead and do that now. You want to do it together, pull them out together. And you'll notice one side will now be in a blinking state, okay? That's the host earbud, which is the left side, and that's the pairing mode, okay? So you wanna be quick about this here, as sometimes they just turn off suddenly, and yeah, you'll have to do it again, okay? So once you do that now on your Samsung phone, use the quick panel access. You can look for the Bluetooth toggle here. It'll show up there, or if you pull it down twice, you'll see it like this here. So long press, and go to details first. Then turn it on from here. This is going to give you a better view mode of what's going on, and just wait for the Pro to show up. It's going to show up as Pro, not Pro 6, just Pro. And then when you see only one, okay, you have to see only one. If you see two and you notice the other one is blinking, that means they're not going to sync together and pair as one. So you'll press it now. Just wait for it, and then press pair, and you'll see that it says connected. Volume is going to go up, and you'll know when it's fully connected when you have no blinking lights on either one of them, okay? And you can tap on the settings here, and you can check to set for calls and audio. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If you got to this part, that means you're good to go. If not, repeat the process again and you should get it the second time. Like and sub.